Hello friends, you are welcome back to this math class as we want to look at this word problem under the topic multiplication and division of decimals. Now the problem says find the volume of a cuboid of length 0.04 meter by 0.06 meter by 0.07 meter, and this is what you call a cuboid. Look like a box, and you have the length, you have the breadth, and then you have the height. So you are asked to find the volume. So we ask ourselves, what is the formula for finding the volume of a cuboid? The formula is volume equal to base area times height. That is the formula. And the base area here is length times breadth. It has the base area of a rectangle. So you will now have length times breadth. Then the height, multiply by height to make the volume. Multiply by height. So any of them could be breadth here, length and height. So what it means is that you are going to multiply this by this by this. So we have 0.04 multiplied by 0.06 multiplied by 0.07. So this is where we have to know what to do. Now, in this case, for you to multiply this, what you will do simply is just to multiply this, and by this. Since we have a 0.0 here, 0.0 here, 0.0 here. So multiply 4 times 6, that's 24. Then multiply 24 by 7. 7 times 4, 28. You need 2. 7 times 2, 14 plus 2, 16. So you have 168. Now, you now count the number of decimal. Here you have 2, decimal, 1, 2. Here also you have 2, and here you have 2. If you add all the decimal together, you have 6 altogether. So the point is here, you start counting the points backward. So you have 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 points. So you have 0.000168. Let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So then this is meter, this is meter, this is meter. So meter in 3 places. So you have meter cube. So that's meter times meter, making meter cube. So the answer is 0.000168 meter cube. So you have settled with this one. Let's now look at the second question, 50 kobo. So a book, one book costs 7 naira 50 kobo. How many books will Susan buy with 90 naira? So a book, one book costs 7 naira 50 kobo, which means 7 naira 50 kobo is one book. 7 naira 50 kobo is equal to one book. So how many books will 90 naira buy? So for 90 naira, it will be 1 all over times 90 all over 1. So that is what it will be. That is, you will divide 90 naira by 7 naira 50 kobo. So anything you get is what will be the number of book. So we now have 90 times 1 is 90 all over 750. So we are now left with how to divide this number. Very simple. This is decimal. Always make sure that in a division of this kind, the denominator is made to be whole number without decimal. Here you have decimal here. So to make it whole number, just shift this point 2 times. And what will help you to do that is to multiply it by 100. So once you multiply it by 100, you get 750. Anything you do down here for the denominator, you do it for the numerator. So you multiply this also by 100. So this is 90 multiplied by 100 is 99,000. Then divided by 750. So you will divide 9,000 by 750. So that is what we want to do now. How do you do this? You are dividing 9,000 by 750. So write your 9,000 down. So how many times 750 goes in 900. You can have one. That's 750. From a zero, remove a zero. Don't forget what you're supposed to do. You divide first. After that, you multiply. After that, you subtract and continue that way. So from 10, take away 5. This one remains 8. From 8, take away 7. 1. So you bring down. How many times 750 goes in 1,500? That is 2. 2 times 750. That's 1,500. So it means that Susan can buy 12 books from 90 naira. 12 books. So the answer is 12 books. 12 books. So this is the answer. It's very straightforward and it's very simple.